Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to solve Epic Games error code is in MF01-32-32. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up apps and features on your computer. Over here, find Epic Games Launcher in the list, then select it and uninstall it completely. After that, search for Network Reset in the Windows search bar and click on it. Then click Reset. Your PC will restart automatically after the reset is complete. Once your system reboots, open your preferred web browser. After that, go to Google and download the Epic Games Launcher from the official website. Then install it again. So that's basically how you can solve Epic Games error code is in MF01-32-32. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.